Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. It's a special one, not gonna be a long one today, but it is pretty cool. Today I'm down here at Energy Powersports with my buddy JJ. Energy Powersports just got in some of the 2022 Sea-Doo switch models. So we've got one sitting right here, all primed for us to check out. So I'm gonna be with JJ. We're gonna look around and see what some of the features are on this, because this is the actual production model. It's not the demo from like my last video last year. This is exactly what you're going to be picking up when you come in here to Energy and grab your units and stuff like that. So they're starting to come up here to Canada. It's exciting times. So let's turn it over to JJ. He's going to walk us through, give us some of the tips, and let's just see how it goes from there.
Hey guys, this is JJ from Energy Powersports. Just want to say a huge thank you for being a part of Mark and his videos. And now we're going to show you the all-new 2022 Sea-Doo Switch Cruise.
All right guys, let's go.
And one of the key features about the Sea-Doo Switch is your gas drop is now going to be located on the right side of the boat. It has a release clip just at the bottom of it and it will flip up. And on each side of the boat, we have two rope pass-throughs that you can easily access. And just at the back of the boat, we have the boarding ladder, which you'll easily pull up and pull out. In order to pull out your ladder. And on select models, we do have our link accessory swim platform on the back. So if you easily wanted to attach any of Sea-Doo or BRP's link accessory, you could easily do so. You can also remove a gas caddy as well too, whatever link accessory you want to add to the swim platform. As well too, in case you don't want to stub your toes on any of the link attachments, you can easily stow them away. And also too, you're going to find a quick little tab that opens here. This is going to be for your pole that allows you for your navigation lights. And just located at the bow here, we do have your anchor stowaway compartment here, which is also going to be an anchor point for which your anchor can actually hook onto. And now with us being inside the boat, I'm going to show you how easy it is to access your storage and change the layout. So if you're looking to access any of the seat storage, simply pull back from the seat, and also too, you're going to have access to store in between either seat. As well too, if you wanted to change the configuration, there's going to be a tab down below you want to simply pull out. There's going to be a grab handle right below the seat. Simply pull back and up. And now we're going to simply reinstall the seat just to show you how easy it does clip in, slide it in, find the designated spot for it, and push the green lever in, making it nice and secure inside the boat. And now I'm going to take you to our center tube storage, where it easily can be accessed with these two release clips here. And this is going to give you access to your poles for your navigation light, as well too as you're going to get your table and the pole or which the table sits on. Okay, so a key feature I want to show you while we have the center tube storage open is you're going to see a little thread here. That's actually going to be for your table, which actually there's a couple key points throughout the boat. A little bit difficult to see through the storage, but when you go through the padding, line it up through with your table and simply just twist it on until it becomes tight. And you'll see that the cover that they have for the storage, we got seals that wrap around the whole bottom of it, as well too as a foam, which to help from insulation from sound or any vibration. Okay, now we're just sitting here at the back of the boat, and I want to show you how easy it is to access your engine compartment. There are two separate doors, but just want to show you how easy it is to simply get inside, check any of your oil or anything specs in regards to your engine. Pull this tab up, pull it away. The front half is going to give you access to checking your battery voltage, checking your oil dipstick, as well too as topping up any oil that you so need. Now coming to the back of it as well too, you'll see there's another compartment that you can easily open as well too, giving you even more access to your engine. Okay, Okay, now we're going to show you how easy it is to bring down the bimini. I'm going to do it in 4 different steps. One, you're going to go over, I tend to start on the right side to make it a little easier as you have more room onto the left side of your boat. You'll see a release clip right here. Pull this, push that forward, and then you're going to pull the bottom up. As well too, you're going to hop over on the other side, pull that up as well too, releasing both sides. That way you can grab the back of the bimini and bringing it forward, which will collapse it in. After, you're going to see a rod as well too that connects to the actual railing of the switch. Grab the bimini, pull it up, and you're going to want to release that. There is a little strap here, you can hold it in the meantime. But we're going to hop over to the other side. Same thing, pull this up while you're pushing this clip in. And then simply bring it down. Okay, now that you saw us taking it down, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to put it back up. Simply grab it, pull it up. This is just going to lock into place. And again, once that locks in, now you can let go of the bimini itself and simply go over and lock in everything. Pull this back until it stops. Push down this rod here and lock in the bimini in place. And now with us just being at the back of the boat, I want to show you how the jumper seats work. You'll see at the back of here, there's a little clip again showing with a little green sticker. Pull that back in order to allow the seat to go up and lock in place. When you do want to pull it forward, simply grab it and bring it back down. And now we're at the helm. Just want to show you exactly what you're going to expect when getting into a Sea-Doo switch. You're going to get your bolster that comes up and down, whether you want a lower or higher seating position. Now getting into the controls of the boat, you're going to find it very similar to a regular PWC, as you have your accelerator on your right side and you're going to have your IBR on the left side, which is going to control your brakes and reverse. A couple of new features as well too in the Sea-Doo. We now have our IDF system in case you needed to spit out any debris. And you'll find you're going to have your controls for your VTS, different modes, also a cruise control setting, and a little OK tab to go through the menu of the Sea-Doo. As well too, you're going to find up here is going to be your Bluetooth audio system. This is going to be for all your controls, whether you need to change the volume up or down, change it from left to right, or pause and play. Down below, you're going to find a storage, which is great for if you needed to charge any of your phones, as you do have 2 USB ports down below, and a little strap here to hold your cell phone in place from not rattling around. Any of our switches here. Right over here, you're going to have your courtesy lights. Next, we're going to have our horn. Over here, we're going to have our navigation lights, which is going to be at the top. And if you're parked and anchored at a certain point in the water, you can simply go down. It's just going to have your back white light on. You got your blower motor on, which you can easily turn on. Always doing so 4 minutes before starting up. And on the far right, you're going to have your bilge pump. Now also too, beside your accelerator, you're going to find you are going to have a Garmin, which you can easily disconnect in case you don't want anybody to take it. Now at the front of the helm, you're going to find that you have your windscreen here. Also too, you have some mesh for some added storage here. As well too, just to locate at the top here, you'll find that there's a 12-volt charger in case you need to charge any more accessories while you're boating. And then also too, just down below here, we got our audio system, a standard audio system for the boat, and as well too, you can upgrade to a BRP premium audio system, which goes into the 4 corners, allowing subwoofers and higher quality sound system.
All right, guys, that was pretty awesome. Getting to check out all the details of an actual production model of the CG Switch. So I'm gonna just quickly turn over to JJ. He's gonna give you some details about if you have any questions about the Switch.
Yeah, please, if you have any questions whatsoever, please contact us right away. Best number is going to be 905-901-5500. And if you'd like to speak to me again, my name is JJ. Extension is going to be 113.
Thanks to JJ for taking the time to show me around on the boat. Thanks to Energy Powersports again for letting me come in and do this. And guys, we'll be back out on the water in the next video, so stay tuned for that. But until then, be safe out on the water. Peace!